Jacqueline. Such a pleasure, gentlemen.
I think she's got it. I think she's got it.
The rain in Spain was mainly in the plain.
My God, I think she's got it.
What's the meaning of this? You're all settled to the right treatment, Your Grace.
You, John? John, you... Oh, my goodness, Sally. Does Bill know?
Not yet.
He's on his way.